Alright, good morning. We're back, and it's February 5th, 2014. We're in the New York session now. We just had some news reports released. Let's take a quick look. It's just about 9 a.m. or it's a little bit before 9 a.m. We had a release of the ADP report. So let's look at the price action now. So I got a confirmation signal here off level that I was previously looking at. Got price retracing down, expecting for it to go back up. However, as I look at my other pairs, I'm seeing that Swizzy is showing dollar strength. Yen is showing, possible dollar strength for a reversal down here off the lows, which it has been. So it's looking like we may get some dollar strength. In addition to that, the euro is also in correlation with the Swizzy. So if we take a closer look or further look, you can see that from that news report we got a spike, which could be the run, and it's looking like price wants to continue on down. So with that being said, it's looking like this euro may be the better setup. Just confirming on a few different pairs for dollar strength. Dollar strength on the pound would bring us down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit this and just wait for this pending setup here. Just take another look. Yes. So that's my thinking right now. I want to see how price plays out. But that's where I'm at with it right now. You know what? Change my mind. I've decided to keep this position. After looking at it, I see that it's had a pretty good point. It's possibly making a big W. Both the last run now. It could blast right through this level, or it could reverse back up, but our thoughts are to trade the pattern, not the pair, not the correlation at least. And trading a pattern, I just want to continue to be consistent with trading my pattern. I like these W now. It's looking like it could possibly be making a very huge W, which may test again to the bottom right here before it goes up. But I'm just going to continue to trade. I got probabilities in my favor, so if it loses, it loses, and we just be able to recoup that later down the line. So this is trading. Decisions you got to make, and I really like to see the correlation, but today I'm just going to trade the setup. It's a very good setup at a very good level at the 50. So let's see what happens. All right, this is actually what ended up happening. Price came down, it didn't get filled, and it ran off to this 20 pips, which would have put me at break even. But since I'm not in position at this point, I'm going to take it off. It's just unfortunate because earlier today I had a euro position as well that went straight to my target, but I got knocked out at break even. This other euro position I was looking for just never came back. It took off and just never came back. So some lessons learned here, in particular with this pound trade, because I could have been in that. I had my entry there listed at about 62.62. On in all actuality, 15 pips is 62.64, which would have been filled. So there was an error there on my behalf that I need to be aware of moving forward, and just wanted to take note of that. So with that being said, even though it wasn't any trade at this point. Just some notes, some mental notes to keep track of moving forward. So another valuable trading day. Not gonna call the day over just yet, but at this point, I'm just waiting for my alerts. So until next time.